I am harvesting some tomatoes today for our 4th of July lunch. This is amethyst jewel. Look at this. And this one too. They are very like pretty tomatoes. This one is amethyst jewel. And this is Isis candy. Look at this Isis candy. Look at this midnight blue. And this is pink ping pong. Pink ping pong. And this one is kumquat, indigo kumquat. I'll just harvest two for now so they would fit on my hand. And this is Snow White Ivory, Otto Genovese. This is Blue Pear and the Mystery Tomato. And this is Green Zebra. This is Early Girl. And here's a handful of tomatoes from our backyard edible garden. Look at these tomatoes. Here are the flowers that I'm going to use today. We don't have red flowers right now or like blue, so I'm using this one. They are pretty. I am preparing tomato and cucumber salad for our 4th of July lunch. These beautiful looking tomatoes from the garden, and then lemon, and then cucumbers too. Here are the Persian cucumbers. We love Persian cucumbers. Look at this tomato, so beautiful. That's what I love with growing different varieties of tomatoes, because they are so colorful. Next is onion. I'm using red onion. Maybe cilantro first, because on the onion, once I start like slicing the onion, it makes me cry. And then, oh my, starting to lemon. This, like, look at this beautiful looking lemon from the garden. Maybe I use this one. I can extract all the juice. This is Eureka lemon. And then I need a spatula. Just mix. Now I'll add this So I need to add salt and freshly cracked peppercorns. And then just mix. This is the first dish that I prepared. This is cucumber and tomato salad, and the next one will be barbecue. So I'm going to the garden to barbecue. We have pork, chicken, and filet mignon. And then we are going to have a watermelon, and that's it. I am going to barbecue. It's time to fry the grill. Here is our meat. So we have a lot. I'm not going to cook all of this. I'm not going to grill all of this. So we have, oh, it has beef liver. It will be yummy too. We have pork. Oh, I love this. Pork, so probably that much. And the rest for the week, these are marinated already, and then we can just warm it on the Ninja air fryer for like lunch, or we can top it on salad during the week when it's busy time. We can just like warm this up and then have a salad on the side. And here is our meat. It's not ready yet. So this is chicken, filet mignon, and pork. It's so hot outside, super duper hot. It's not fun to barbecue anymore when it's like really hot. So last one is watermelon. There you go. Wait to eat one. Very sweet. Now I'm going to make watermelon smoothie. You like watermelon smoothie, Josh? Come here. Watermelon smoothie.
You put a little bit of skin.
Where?
There.
Use your skin?
Yeah. This is good.
There. Okay, thank you. You need to wear blue or red. It's it's 4th of July. That's why I'm wearing blue.
See. Can I have some?
Not sure. Let's look for a red shirt for you. Oh, this one is like crushed ice. a very refreshing watermelon drink. Okay. Oh, this is what I used last time. I'm going to use this one this time. Hi, Josh. I made saffron rice. And here's our 4th of July lunch. We have barbecue, we have filet mignon chicken and pork, and then we have a salad, cucumber and tomato salad, and then we have saffron rice, and then we have watermelon. We have more watermelons there, and then watermelon drink.
Happy fall.
Happy 4th of July! Daddy, eating time! How's the drink, Josh?
Good.
Good.
It's so refreshing.
Happy 4th, everyone.